Welcome back for another transitions video. This time I'm reviewing the best glasses for driving, and I'm going to talk about the Transitions Drivewear versus the Transitions XTRActive. Welcome to Salisbury Eye Care and Eyewear. I'm Dr. D. My goal is to arm you with the knowledge you need to take control of your eye health and have the best vision possible. Like and subscribe for videos every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Okay, so first let's talk a little bit about driving and what we might need in a pair of glasses to optimize our driving experience. First of all, I would think you would want some UV protection while you're driving, just from a health standpoint. The second consideration is possibly having some polarization. The third would be having a light adaptive lens that helps with glare reduction. Finally, we're going to compare these two glasses that I've got and decide which of the two is better for day driving, which one's better for night driving, and where those strengths and weaknesses lie. This is not a thorough review of the XTRActive, just a quick refresher. So the XTRActive is going to be fairly clear during the day. So when you're indoors with this lens and there's no UV present, it's going to be fairly clear. There's a little bit of tint to the lenses. We've talked about that in the past. And then these are a photochromic lens. When you go outdoors and there's sun, they are going to turn darker. The reason that these are sometimes preferred for driving by my patients is that they actually get darker in the car than your Transitions Signature 7 or your Generation 8 lenses. So that XTRActive really signifies that it changes darker behind a car windshield. So you might think that these are really great for driving. However, they're not polarized and they really are just going from clear to either a dark gray or a dark brown. And so those are some of the limitations. Now I'd like to introduce you to a different type of photochromic lens, also Transitions brand. This is Drivewear. So you notice something different about Drivewear right away, right? So it's got a green tint to it that is always present even indoors. So if you're considering, okay, do I get Transitions XTRActive for my driving glasses or Drivewear? First of all, these aren't as great at night. These are daytime driving glasses, the Drivewear, whereas Transitions XTRActive is going to give you that flexibility, versatility to go from indoors with a clear pair to driving with the pair in your car. All right, so first of all, they're tinted all the time. We start out with a wonderful green tint like you see right now. What this is doing for my vision, everything is in high definition right now. I truly am almost seeing everything is just popping. These really truly make a big difference. And I just had Transitions XTRActive on a moment ago. So I can really tell the difference in the way that images pop out. In the car, driving, seeing the mountainsides or seeing, grass and trees, I think that this would make a really big difference in how things pop. The second thing to note is that these are polarized where Transitions XTRActive are not. And that's a huge advantage with Transitions Drivewear in my opinion. The third thing is that these have differing levels of glare reduction. So again, they're photochromic. And I've noticed that there's even a little different color to these lenses when you're in an overcast light versus bright sun. I've been using these lenses for about a week now, and I definitely like driving in Drivewear lenses. I like the way that the photochromic adapts. I just think that it's just very comfortable is how I would describe it. So just to sum up the differences, you've got Transitions Drivewear and Transitions XTRActive. They're both great for in the car. If you want a driving pair of glasses, I think either one could work for you. If you do a lot of night driving, you might err on the side of the XTRActive. If you really enjoy day driving, you want to get out in your convertible and just enjoy a drive by the seashore or something, I think your vision out of the Drivewear would just be excellent. I hope I gave you some good considerations as you pick out your best driving glasses. Thanks as always for tuning in. We post videos on this channel every single Wednesday at 4 o'clock. If you like content like this, I would like to invite you to like and subscribe to our page, and we'll see you next week.